It's Ramadan, guys.
Yay! It's Ramadan!
It's a month of fasting.
Patience and good character.
Even when things are hard.
I want kebabish, mixed kebabish. Grilled onions.
Grilled onions, yes, brother.
Onions and pepper.
Relax.
Please.
No problem.
Brother, where is my food? Please.
He's always complaining, and I hate these complaining customers, especially in the month of Ramadan.
Brother, please, where's my food?
Wait for the food, it's coming, it's coming. Have someone.
Big hungry, please. Tummy empty.
That's it, I've had enough. This guy's had it. Coming at you.
Brother?
Brother, I told you to wait on it, wait on it, wait on it, wait.
Stop fighting and stop complaining. You're wasting your good deeds. Show you what makes Ramadan special.
Helping people.
Are with your family.
Food is served for iftar.
Here you go, sir. What do you think, Mr. Khan?
Alhamdulillah, mashallah, it is amazing. Bismillah, Bismillah. Brother, angry chef, Musawallah chef, please forgive me.
Brother, forgive me.
Alhamdulillah, forgive me.
That's your challenge too, adventurers.
Talk about what makes Ramadan special.
While making a yummy dish.